This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Ken and Ruthie Welch. Open floor plan for this 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home with a combination family room, kitchen and dining room areas on a fenced corner lot. The house was built in 2014 and has 1,644 square foot living area. The kitchen comes equipped with the appliances, wood cabinets, granite countertops and breakfast bar with room for stools. The house has ceramic tile throughout and is accented with crown molding. There's even some Bluetooth speakers in the house. There is an inside laundry room between the house and the garage. Out back there is a 25 by 10 screen porch with ceramic tile flooring overlooking the vinyl fenced backyard with a cabana that has a gas grill, fireplace and kitchen sink. Also in the backyard is a storage building and a greenhouse area. The house has a whole house water softener system and floored space in the attic over the garage. As a special feature, the house is equipped with solar panels that will be paid off by the seller at closing, so the new owner will have full benefit of the energy savings. For more information